Good morning. I'm going to show you how Immersive Reader works in Microsoft Whiteboard. You're going to click the plus button, and then you're going to insert text. And whatever you type will be read by the Immersive Reader. So I'm going to type good morning. This will be read by Immersive Reader. Okay? And then if you click on it, you will click on the three dots and choose Immersive Reader. Here, the Immersive Reader screen pops up, and you can have your text preferences for text size, spacing, font, background colors. You have your grammar options, and you have your line focus, and you can turn on your picture dictionary, and you can also translate into different languages. So you can press play. And that's how you use Immersive Reader in Whiteboard.